I got a Galaxy Note 4, brand new. Well, not brand new, but you get the gist of it. It's not charging, so I'm gonna do this method that what you do is unplug it, take out the battery, and take out this bad boy. I actually bought a new battery just in case if it's a battery problem, but it's still giving me problems. And what you do is you put it back like so, and you're gonna put it in the freezer for 20 minutes and freeze it for 20 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes. I'm gonna put 25 because I still gotta take it downstairs because I don't have a fridge. So we're gonna put 20 minutes. Let's put 25 just in case, and put start. Okay, so okay, so that's going. I'm gonna put it in Ziploc bags. These are the only bags I have. So what we do is place it like so. I would Ziploc it, but this is all like that. And put it in the fridge. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get an old toothbrush that, well, actually it's brand new, but I'm gonna use it to clean my phones. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some, if you guys have any alcohol wipes, get an alcohol wipe. Just kind of like clean the area just so it could be sanitized, clean of debris, anything that's giving any cause not to be charged. The clock is ticking, the clock is ticking, the clock is ticking, the clock is ticking. Okay, so it's been, I want to say like 30 minutes. It's really cold. So I'm gonna take out the bad boy. Take it off, take it off, take it off. Normally, I get like a little thing and pop it off. Okay, so I'm gonna try with this battery first. And if it doesn't turn on, I'll try the other one. Okay, it didn't turn on. Let's try this one. Put this bad boy on. Okay. Give me a second. There it is. It's charging.